Now the seventh question is that you have to show that the product of three consecutive number to show. What you have to show here? The product of three consecutive number is divisible by 6. How to show this? The product of three consecutive numbers is divisible by 6. सबसे पहले what is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means one after the other continuously. अगर मैंने बोला write down the consecutive numbers after 1, तो 1 के बाद जो numbers आते हैं 2, 3, 4 means 3 पूछे so 2, 3, 4, 5 पूछे तो so on count and say like that. So consecutive means one after the other. The consecutive, if I ask write down the first three consecutive multiples of 2. So first three consecutive multiples means 2, 3, 6. These are the consecutive multiples of 2. In this way consecutive means one after the other. So यहाँ पे भी यही पूछा है कि कोई भी अगर 3 numbers continuously हम लेते हैं तो उनका जो आंसर आता है प्रोडक्ट मीन्स उनको मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आता है वो 6 से डिवाइड होगा क्या कि इज इट डिविजिबल बाय 6 और नॉट. सो द कंडीशन इज दैट इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 6 बट फ्रॉम द 3 numbers one number should be even number and one number should be multiple of 3. Then it is divisible by 6. Then it is divisible by 6. For example, let's take example here. If I am going to take 2, ना तो 2 के बाद कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स लेने और 3 लेने तो 2 तो हो गया 1. इसके बाद कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर क्या आएंगे 3 एंड 4. तो इनको हमें क्या करना है मल्टीप्लाई. कंडीशन क्या है वह एक नंबर तो इवन होना चाहिए. सो दिस इज 2 इज इवन एंड वन नंबर शुड बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. सो दिस 3 इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2 3 is 6 6 4 is 24. See and the 24 is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 6. और एक एग्जांपल ले लो. अगर हमने लिया 5 तो 5 के बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आता है 6 और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या आता है 7. कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर देखो यहाँ पे एक नंबर 6 इवन है और ये 3 का मल्टीपल भी है लेकिन चेक करते ये होगा या नहीं. बट 5 6 30 एंड 30 into 7 210. So is 210 divisible by 6 completely? Let's check it. 6 3s are 18. 3 is remains 6 5 30. Yes, it is completely divisible by 6. So the condition is that one number should be even and one number should be multiple of 3. Then it is completely divisible by 6. The 3 consecutive numbers are divisible by 6. Now in the 8th question you have to show that the sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Consecutive odd numbers means for example 1 is odd number. So one consecutive means one after the other. तो 1 के बाद next odd number क्या आएगा 3. 3 के बाद next odd number क्या आएगा 5. Okay, 5 के बाद just next odd number क्या आएगा 7. So these are the consecutive odd numbers. So it is asked about only 2 consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so you have to consider only 2 consecutive odd numbers और उनका जो sum है वो आपका 4 से divisible है या नहीं. You have to check. So let's take first example. I am taking 1 plus 3. These are the consecutive 2 odd numbers. So the answer is 4 and yes 4 is divisible by 4. Second, take another example 5. उसके बाद next consecutive odd number आएगा 7. 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 is also completely divisible by 4. Third, let's take 3. After 3 the next consecutive odd number is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 is also completely divisible by 4. So yes, we can say that the sum of two consecutive odd number is divisible by 4. Okay, it is satisfied. Now question number 11. The question is, this is question, okay? For your explanation I have written here. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3 means 18 2 से भी divide होता है and 3 से भी. 2 9s are 18 and 3 6s are 18. So it is divisible. Now it is also divisible by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. यहाँ लिखा है अगर 18 2 से इंडिविजुअली डिवाइड हो रहा है, 18 3 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो 18 उन दोनों के प्रोडक्ट से भी मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 इज 6. 6 से 18 को आप जब 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे, so you will get the answer 3. So it is also completely divisible by their product. Okay. So they are asking here that if a number is divisible by both 4 and 6, कोई नंबर है जो 4 और 6 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है, so can we say that the number must also be divisible by their product? जैसे यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट लिया था वैसे वो उनके प्रोडक्ट से भी डिवाइड होगा क्या? So let us check here. For example, the answer is no first of all. No क्यों है? एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक नंबर है जो दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है 4 और 6 से, तो जैसे कि 12 ना, 12 इज डिविजिबल बाय बोथ. डिविजिबल बाय बोथ 4 एंड 6. 4 से भी 12 डिवाइड होता है और 6 से भी. 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. It is divisible. But 12 is not divisible by 24. ओके, पर 12 को आप 24 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि यहाँ पे कंडीशन थी इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 6. सिमिलरली 4 और 6 का प्रोडक्ट आएगा 24. तो आप 12 को 24 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. 12 इधर है और डिवाइजर 24. This is not possible. Okay, so the answer is no. In the next question, you have to form a smallest number which is formed from the 4 smallest prime numbers. So the 4 smallest, the smallest 4. The smallest 4 prime numbers are smallest 4. तो सबसे smallest prime number क्या है? 2. After that 3, 5 and then 7. So you have to form the number. So the required number is multiply this. So you will get the number which is formed from the smallest 4 prime numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 7 is 210. So this is the required number. In this way exercise 3.5 is completed.